Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can adjust the timeline on CapCut PC for editing. So in here, I've already import a clip into my CapCut PC. And if you want to see or edit your videos frame by frame in detail, you can just stretch the timeline by zooming in like this. Zoom in the timeline, so you can just stretch it all the way like this until you see this frame by frame like this. For example, the second frame, the fourth frame, and just like that. But if you want to see the whole clips, the whole pictures in a clip, you can just stretch it out or zoom out by swiping it to the left, just like this. Okay, so that's how you can adjust the timeline on CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, also click on the thanks button. Bye!